Well, the number of people reporting age-related discrimination at work has risen dramatically in the past few years, and one area with a huge number of those complaints is in the restaurant industry. Attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by to tell us about a recent case. Jim, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
All right, we're talking about a big restaurant chain that recently settled an employment law case. So tell us what happened here. What's the story?
Yeah, this was a Ruby Tuesdays that's been in several different, or of course throughout the country, but they settled a age discrimination case. And basically the allegations were that they weren't hiring older workers, that they were putting younger waiters and waitresses and hostess in there, and people that were qualified but over 40, they were not getting those same jobs. And of course, Ruby Tuesdays denied that, but the case recently resolved for a pretty good bit for that age discrimination claim.
Right. Now, is cases like this, is this something that you typically see in your office?
Yeah, you know, I mean, I hate to say that, but yeah, we do. I mean, we have a pretty big employment law section in our firm, and this is why. And it's strange, but for specifically age-related cases, there are a lot tied to certain industries, and we have had a few of these in the restaurant industry. I mean, I think there's some restaurant chains that, for whatever reason, have a mindset that they have to have these young people throughout there, when a lady, just because she's over 40 or 50 or whatever, doesn't mean she can't be a hostess or wait tables or a man.
Right.
And you know, as our baby boomers are getting older, there are people that in that generation that are still out there. If their retirement wasn't enough, they still need jobs, and it's barriers like this that make it hard on them.
So if someone watching today feels like they're a victim of age discrimination, what should they do? Should they just call your office?
Yeah, you know what? A lot of times, we talk to a lot of people on any type of employment discrimination case, and sometimes they do have a claim, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they just have a bad boss and it doesn't have anything to do with their age or their race or their gender, but we don't mind talking to people, and we have some great employment lawyers in our office. So a lot of times I think people just need to know, where do they stand, what are their legal rights. So they're welcome to email us, they're welcome to call us, and we'll kind of go through the elements. You know, what's happened to you, what documentation or proof might you have of it. How long have you worked there? You know, why do you think it's age-related, or because of your religion, or because you're pregnant? And we'll talk through those things, and then we'll figure out what's the best step for that person. Sometimes it's to have a lawyer, sometimes it's not. But, you know, I think just knowing what your legal rights are is important.
Right, and you guys walk them through that and make it easy. We love that.
Jim,
thanks for being here.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-353-0930. You can also check them out at higginsfirm.com.